Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are going for a new ride. Basically it's just a weekend short ride from Tirupathi. It's to a pleasant and peaceful place. So do you see these pillars? These are like huge pillars. I haven't seen like pillars of this height for a flyover. It's for Garuda Varadhi. Garuda Varadhi is for like prioritizing the pilgrims of Tirupati for the movement of buses and for the movement of private vehicles of the pilgrims who are trying to go to Tirumala from Tirupati. So this flyover will directly connect to Alipiri road. This will reduce the traffic flow, and also it will help the pilgrims to reach faster to their Tirumala or reach to the airport. So that's the reason. The works are going on fast, and hope by the next year I think the flyover will be completed with the like flow of the work going on right now. I think the flyover will be completed by next year. Right, we should take a right. So we are going to RayalaCheruvu, which is a beautiful and serene location. It's basically a lake. In Tirupati there are many lakes, like nearby to Tirupati there are many lakes, but this lake RayalaCheruvu will stand out from all of them because of the serenity and surrounded by hills and everything. It's also very nearby. It's just hardly 20 kilometers from Tirupati. And my plan is to reach there by sunset, before sunset, so that I can capture a small time lapse, take some drone shots. It's showing 29 minutes. Don't know whether I will reach before sunset. So today is Gandhi Jayanti, and I'm like feeling bored in my room, so just wanted to go to a nearby place and have some pleasant time. So just decided to head to RayalaCheruvu, and it's just everything happened in half an hour, and now I am just 10 minutes away from the lake. ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుతూ డ్రైవ్ చేస్తే ఏం లేదన్న ఫసాక్. I think I will reach before sunset by seeing the height of the sun as of now, and it will still take 14 kilometers for me to reach. I think I can reach there before sunset. riding 20 minutes from the city. I have finally reached the lake. Lake is really beautiful. I should have come earlier to stay some extra time, but I have to hurry up now to take the time lapse and drone shots. So I think you should see this. So heading back to Tirupathi from RayalaCheruvu. I'm really fortunate guys that I reached before sunset. The view is spectacular. I really liked it. It was such a peaceful evening. I wish I came earlier because I can spend some more time, but it's just a all of a sudden plan. So yeah, let's end the video here, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe and share the video. See you until next time in another vlog.